You know, some people say it looks like a rabbit. Others say it looks like the Sphinx. What it is an ocular. And oculars were used when tracking and hunting. It narrows the focus like an f-stop in a camera, creates more depth perception, and allows you to view through smaller spaces and see movements in a more defined space. The same would be so if they were using it for observations in the night sky and to make sense out of all that vastness, to narrow the amount of space, and then you can understand relationships if there's movement, what it is you're trying to observe. And the other use for it is for casting nets into the surf. It eliminates glare and allows you to look right into direct sunlight with no glare. I've never casted the net, but I have used it to see if it does eliminate sunlight. And it does. Now I have not many oculars, maybe I have 12 or so, but none like this. This was like a tool. The others are smaller, and some folks would argue with me that they're just net sinkers, but I find it really difficult to believe that they would go through all that trouble to create such a tenuous hole at the edge of a rock and then cast it into a creek or a surf. I think it had a more sophisticated purpose, and net sinkers, you could use something different, and maybe they were. Maybe I'm wrong. But you're not casting this one with a net.